The Raid is a 2011 Indonesian action thriller film written and directed by Gareth Evans and produced by Ario Sagantoro. The film stars Iko Uwais, Joe Taslim, Donny Alamsyah, Sahetapy and Yayan Ruhian. The film follows an Indonesian National Police tactical squad that is deployed to raid a ruthless drug lord's apartment block in the slums of Jakarta, only to be encircled by the criminals, forcing them to fight their way through the complex. After its world premiere at the Toronto International Film Festival, TIFF, the Raid received positive reviews from critics. The name of the film was changed to The Raid. Redemption in the United States, as distributor Sony Pictures Classics could not secure the rights to the title. It also allowed Evans to plan out future titles in the series. The American version of the film, released on DVD and Blu-ray on 14 August 2012, features a film score composed by Mike Shinoda and Joseph Trapanese. A sequel titled The Raid 2 was released in 2014. Both films showcase the traditional Indonesian martial art of pencak silat, with fight choreography led by Uwais and Yayan Ruhian. A third film was considered, but the project was cancelled.